Most people think viruses spread from other humans, but Hantavirus is different. This dangerous virus hides inside rodent urine, saliva, and droppings. And in some cases, simply breathing contaminated dust can infect a person. In this video, we break down where Hantavirus comes from, how infection happens, why symptoms become life-threatening, the biggest cleaning mistakes people make, simple ways to stay safe. A tiny, invisible particle can completely change a life. Imagine cleaning an old garage. You sweep up some dust, and a few days later, you can barely breathe. That's how Hantavirus can start. Hantavirus is a rare but very dangerous virus, mainly spread by rodents like rats and mice. It was first discovered after outbreaks in Asia, and later became widely known in the United States during the 1993 outbreak in the Four Corners region. But here's the scary part. You don't need to get bitten to become infected. The virus usually spreads when tiny particles from rodent urine, droppings, or saliva get into the air. When humans breathe in that contaminated dust, the virus can enter the lungs. This often happens in old houses, cabins, garages, storage rooms, farms, abandoned buildings, especially places closed for a long time. At first, Hantavirus feels like a normal flu. Symptoms include fever, headache, muscle pain, fatigue, chills. But after a few days, things can become much worse. The lungs may start filling with fluid, making it extremely hard to breathe. This condition is called Hantavirus pulmonary syndrome, and yes, it can be deadly. Some cases become fatal within days if treatment is delayed. There's currently no specific cure for Hantavirus. Doctors mainly try to support breathing and keep the patient stable, so prevention is extremely important. To reduce the risk, never sweep or vacuum rodent droppings directly. Wear gloves and a mask when cleaning risky areas. Spray disinfectant before touching droppings. Keep food sealed. Close holes where rodents can enter. Wash hands after cleaning. And if you suddenly develop flu-like symptoms after being around rodents or dusty abandoned places, seek medical help immediately. Because sometimes the most dangerous thing in the room is the dust you can't even see. Stay healthy and safe, guys. See you on next video. Good luck.